Yeah, we're up here at Jersey Avenue, up in New Brunswick, New Jersey. Got a New Jersey Transit southbound coming in. And looks like they got an Amtrak somewhere down, coming out of New Brunswick. A little rail fanning. Coming up from South Carolina, being a New Jersey native, train watching is always a big fun thing up here along the Northeast Corridor. Lights will turn red, yellow, and then go to green. As the brakes get released, goes to green. Heading down to Princeton, Hamilton, and Trenton, coming out of New York City. Let people get off here. And we got a southbound Acela coming through. Southbound Acela heading to Washington, D.C. It's always neat when the engineer gives you a little horn toot. He knows we're out here watching them up and down the rails here in the Northeast Corridor. Got a northbound Acela coming. Nice horn blow. Way to go, buddy. Nice horn. Engineers are great among Amtrak. They see us out here getting photos and stuff. They're always blowing the horns at us, giving us a thumbs up. Pretty cool. Northbound Acela to New York and Boston. New Jersey Transit. Coming here for a stop in New Brunswick. We got the 205 southbound to Trenton, coming in for a stop at Jersey Avenue. look here at the signals here on the Northeast Corridor. It constantly changes as traffic flows up and down the NEC. Track 1, we got a clear green. Got a slow green with caution on number 2. And then obviously the southbound side is red. Southbound Amtrak. Looks like one of the Northeast Corridor trains. Yeah, we're getting the Keystone Express coming. That's always cool. That is always cool. All right, well, that's gonna wrap it up here for our little short journey. Got some rain clouds coming up here to the New Brunswick area on Jersey Avenue. Especially for those of us from down in the Carolinas, we don't get to see the Northeast Corridor very often, so it's always a treat to come up here and see these high-speed trains and New Jersey Transit. So, nothing else coming. We're gonna wrap it up, and we'll see you all somewhere down the line. Adios.